This 2024 Jayco Terrain 19Y is a Class B RV. It is located in Rural Hall, North Carolina, 27045 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Winston, Salem. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 19 feet 0 inches in length and features a SERENITY interior, sleeps 2, and 22 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B features bunkhouse. This 2024 Jayco Terrain 19Y is built on a Mercedes Benz Sprinter 2500 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.